Hey guys, so we finished making the cake and took them out and they turn out like this. They're already all cold because I waited a while, but they're already cold. See, it's a little heart. This is the other cake. See how it turned out flat? Yeah. So now how to make frosting, yay! Okay. So what you're going to need is some flour, some sugar, some water, some vanilla, and food coloring if you want. And you're also going to need some, cream cheese. Yeah, it's kind of weird. But, okay, so you're going to get the flour, you're going to get sugar, about two tablespoons of flour, a tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cream cheese, 2 or 3 teaspoons of water, and a few drops of food coloring. Yeah, so you just mix that all up, and when you're done, you shall get a substance like this. Okay, now I'm going to add the food coloring, so let me get that. Okay, so I'm going to use this food coloring. It's royal blue. See, it's that color. And I'm going to just put, well, depending on what food coloring you have, like this one, it's like a paste. It's not drops. So I'm going to get the end of the spoon. You're just going to get, you don't really need that much. Just get about that much. Looks black right now. That's okay, because I know that it is blue. So I have used it before. Okay. Now, if you have a white frosting, oh my god. Okay. If you have a white frosting, oh my god, my mouth is all blue. Then, your frosting will turn out to be like a Cookie Monster blue. Something like this blue. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay. So that's what's up. Okay, anyway. You're gonna get a Cookie Monster blue when you're done mixing. So I'm just gonna mix that all up. And now, as you can see, it's already turned blue. So you don't really need that much. I can't believe my mouth is all blue already. Funny. Okay. I'm gonna get all of it. Okay, see? Now we have something of the same blue. Really pretty blue. Okay. So, that's it. Thanks for watching.